Hello and welcome, Brett here with Clickmill.co. So in this video, we're going to be talking about data layers and what a data layer is. Now, when you have a website and you want to track a tag with Tag Manager, you have to transmit that information over to Tag Manager somehow. So Tag Manager, as a software program, has the ability to reach out over to your website and grab information. But your website needs to actually give that information out to Tag Manager so that they're communicating. So, what do you want to say? Our website needs to be talking to Tag Manager, and Tag Manager has to be receiving the information. So Tag Manager is going to receive the information just when you set it up. Now, in order to have your website talking to Tag Manager and giving out that information, we need to have a data layer. And a data layer is exactly what you would think of. It is a layer of data that is pushed out from your website specifically to Tag Manager, and Tag Manager pulls it in. So that's what a data layer is. And not that this is going to be super helpful, but I will show you what it looks like. And the more that you're getting comfortable with, looking at code, you don't need to know how to code, but it is nice to just kind of know what you're looking at. You can come to a website and you can inspect it. And this is going to open up developer tools. If you've never seen developer tools, I panicked the first time I saw it and thought I broke the internet. You can't break it. So, don't be afraid here. Okay, so coming in here, you'll see you can just highlight over the certain section of the page and it'll tell you what that is. So, for example, this is part of the heading up here, but if you notice, and I come here and I search, and we're going to look up data, you'll notice there is an actual piece of code in here, 400 of them. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's pieces of code that are written in JavaScript, and it says data layer. And in this case, this is a Google AdWords data layer, and this is pushing data to Google AdWords. Well, we have data layers that are little tags on the back end that are pushing data specifically over to Tag Manager. So this is what a data layer is. It is, very simply a layer of data that is put through your website that Tag Manager can grab onto and pull in those tags and pull in all that information so it can talk to your website. Neil, any thoughts or comments on that to add any clarity?
Oh, good. Yep.
All right. Thanks so much for being with us in this video. In the next video, we're going to discuss a container and what a container is. We'll see you there.